Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. In this video, we'll take your homemade peanut butter to the next level with flavor combinations, textures, and tips for storage to keep it fresh and delicious. Have you ever dipped a spoon into a jar of peanut butter and wondered why it tastes good, but perhaps a little bland or oily? The truth is, that store-bought jar often contains hidden sugars, unnecessary oils, and preservatives that compromise flavor and nutrition. Making your own peanut butter is almost magical. It's incredibly fast, requires minimal ingredients, and gives you a vibrant flavor you simply can't buy. Imagine a spread that is pure peanut pleasure, tailored exactly to your preferences. You have complete control over the texture, salt, and sweetness. This simple method transforms humble peanuts into a glorious, creamy staple in minutes. We'll show you exactly how to skip the additives and create the freshest peanut butter you've ever tasted. Get ready to upgrade your sandwich life forever. Why homemade peanut butter is the best move for your kitchen. Taking control of your ingredients is the biggest reason to start making peanut butter at home. You become the editor of your own nutrition label. If you want a spread that is just peanuts and maybe a pinch of salt, you can have it. If you look at many commercial brands, you'll find ingredients like hydrogenated vegetable oil, dextrose, and refined sugar. When you make it yourself, you only use what you choose. Beyond health benefits, the difference in taste is striking. Freshly processed peanuts release their natural oils and aroma, resulting in a rich, intense flavor you won't find in jars that have sat on a shelf for months. Plus, homemade peanut butter is surprisingly cost-effective. Peanuts are generally inexpensive, making large batches an economical choice compared to buying boutique or organic spreads. Essential ingredients: peanuts, but what else? The list of essential ingredients is refreshingly short. You only need one item to create peanut butter: peanuts. Most recipes work best with roasted, unsalted peanuts. Roasting enhances their nutty flavor and makes the processing go much faster. If you buy raw peanuts, you will need to roast them yourself first, which we cover below. Make sure your peanuts are shelled. While technically optional, most people prefer a few additions for taste. Salt. A small pinch of sea salt or kosher salt helps balance the sweetness of the peanuts and elevates the overall flavor. Start with 1/4 teaspoon per cup of peanuts. Oil. The peanuts themselves contain plenty of oil, so adding extra virgin olive oil, peanut oil, or coconut oil is only necessary if you want an extra smooth, runny consistency for drizzling. Most recipes don't require external oils. Sweetener. If you enjoy sweet peanut butter, consider natural options like honey, maple syrup, or a few dates added during processing. Gather your equipment. The food processor is your best friend. Experiment with these flavors and make your peanut butter truly yours. Keep enjoying fresh, homemade goodness in every spoonful. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.